Hi, I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question from Will in Canton, Ohio. Will asks, I was in Rehoboth, Delaware on vacation and I was injured in a car accident. Do I need an attorney in Rehoboth, Delaware, or can I get an attorney in Ohio to help me? And the answer is that you probably ought to get an attorney in Rehoboth, Delaware to handle the Rehoboth, Delaware car accident case. When you file a lawsuit for personal injuries against the at-fault driver, what the court is going to do is take a look at the connection of the at-fault driver to the state that the court is sitting in. So if you file a lawsuit in Canton, Ohio against someone who lives in Rehoboth, Delaware, and who was negligently caused an accident in Rehoboth, Delaware, the court in Canton, Ohio is liable to say, well, that person has no connection to Ohio. We cannot constitutionally force them to come out to Ohio to litigate the case. So you probably, unless that at-fault driver has some connection to your home state, you probably can't file a lawsuit there. You probably would need to go to Sussex County, Delaware, which is where Rehoboth Beach, Delaware is located, and file a lawsuit there. In dealing with insurance companies, one of the things that they tend to look at in determining whether to settle a claim and how much to pay on a personal injury claim, one of the things that they look at is whether you're a threat. Are you actually going to file a lawsuit? So if you hire an attorney there in Ohio to handle your Delaware car accident personal injury case, what you're doing is you may be shooting yourself in the foot, because that attorney is going to, that attorney is going to present the claim to the insurance company when it comes time to settle, and the insurance company is going to say, well, you're not a threat, you're not even in Delaware, how are you going to file a lawsuit? And so it's going to potentially negatively impact the settlement value of your personal injury claim. So my advice is, if you're injured in an accident in Rehoboth, Delaware, the best thing you could do is get a Delaware attorney. Conversely, if you're a Delaware resident and you go out to Ohio and you get injured in an accident in Ohio, you can contact us, but what we most likely are going to do is find you someone in Ohio who's trustworthy to handle your personal injury case for you. So I hope that answers your question. I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. If you have questions for me that you would like me to answer on the air in a video format such as this, send me an email. I'm at ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.